everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be going through a wash routine and trying out the K18 Leave-In hair treatment. If you're interested, make sure you stay tuned for my final thoughts. We're going to start by using the Rahua Voluminous Shampoo. This shampoo strengthens, clarifies, and nourishes your hair while delivering noticeable volume and body. Since my hair is fine and I just got my relaxer, I always tend to gravitate towards volume shampoos just for those specific reasons. Now, with this particular shampoo as well, one of the key benefits here is that it does remove residual buildup without drying your hair or scalp, which a lot of clarifying shampoos will do. I did go ahead and shampoo with this 3 times since it is not a drying shampoo. The K18 Leave-In Treatment Mask is said to clinically reverse hair damage in 4 minutes. So we're going to see what the hype is about with the K18, as it is completely different than Olaplex. Now with this one, you only need 3 pumps, maybe 4, depending on your hair type or your hair length. And you do want to completely rub it into your hand until you get a white paste. Now, the K18 Leave-In Treatment is said to be good for repairing damage from bleach, color, chemical services, and heat. It is going to restore strength, softness, smoothness, and bounce to your hair. I am going to go ahead and just start by gently detangling my hair because this is a new product that I had never used before. So I wanted to make sure that I kind of took my time. But as you can see, my comb was just gliding through my hair without using any type of conditioner. I was also very impressed to see that I didn't have any shedding taking place and there was no hair in my comb. I am back. I have just finished washing my hair and actually styling it for the day. So as you can see right now, I have gone ahead and finished my blowout. And today, as far as the products go, you saw the initial shampoo products that I did use in the brand, as well as the fact that I did use a volumizing shampoo this time around. Because I did just get my relaxer, my hair is always pretty fine right after relaxer, but I was very pleased to see that when I washed my hair, y'all, after just getting my relaxer last week, I noticed that I still had texture. I absolutely love the fact that the salon I went to did not get my hair bone straight. Love it. So that's neither here nor there. That's not what this video is about. But I did want to come and just let you all know exactly what my hair is feeling like after using the K18 Leave-In Treatment on my hair. Do I feel a huge difference? I don't feel a huge difference, but I do feel a difference. Now, I say that to say that on the instructions for this particular product, it does say to use it 4 to 6 washes before you fully see the end results, but it also says that you'll feel like you have new hair on the first time. Do I feel like I have new hair? I feel like my hair is very bouncy. I feel like my hair is strong. I feel like my ends feel really good, which is not normal. So I do feel like that leave-in treatment did something for my hair. I am going to go through the remainder of the week to see if I notice any huge differences with shedding, things like that. If I am, if my scalp is getting really oily, kind of some things that I notice on a day-to-day basis that tells me that, my hair is healthy. My hair feels 100% healthy, y'all. No lie. Like, it feels really good. So, and the bounce and the shine that I have right now, I want to say that some of it is attributed to the shampoo that I use, but also the way that I styled my hair and the fact that I use my Dyson and the round brush. That's where all of this body is coming from. But y'all, my hair feels really good. So I'm going to keep using the K18 product and let y'all know exactly what it does for my hair. Drop a comment below if you have used it before. What were your initial thoughts? Did you actually like it? Is it worth the price? Because that little tiny bottle was 30 bucks. So was it 30 or was it 40? It was 30 bucks for the small bottle. So let me know what you all actually think about this particular product. Glad you all came along with me on my wash day. Make sure that you, again, drop a comment below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you'll know every time I upload, because around here we talk about everything beauty, hair, and a little bit in between here and there. So make sure that you subscribe. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.